Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Render. Wanted to do a quick update on that after I forgot about it yesterday, to be honest, but it also wasn't moving that much, at least not that much unexpectedly. We had some bullish momentum yesterday after all, but apart from that not a lot happened. But in this video I wanted to do a full update on that, mainly technically. There's fundamentally not a lot to talk about. I mean, obviously the fundamentals in the market are important, but they are also already included in the analysis. It determines my bias, and I check it out every day. Like right now, we are fairly bearish, so I'm taking that into account in the analysis. But before we dive into Render specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now on to Render. So Render itself, I mean, we talked about this earlier, but we really did start some sort of bearish momentum, right? We've been making lower highs since basically the 26th of May. So for the last 5 days or something. And now it's a question whether this is a bullish flag or whether this is actually the start of more bearish momentum and of some sort of a crash, because both are very much possible at this point in time. In my eyes, it all depends on this level right here. I always say 2.5, but technically it's like 2.47. That's the main level. That's the last level holding us up. I think it's somewhat of a bullish indicator that we are holding on fairly well right now, even though Bitcoin is fairly bearish, all right? So I think that's a little bit of a bullish indication. But apart from that, I mean, it's still, the situation for Render itself is not ideal. We've already dropped down to that 2.47 level once, so we're not going to get all of the bullish momentum out of that, which it has potential to. If you know what I mean. I mean, we already hit that, so there's some sort of momentum that we could get from that level is already out of it. So personally, I would actually say at this point of time, given also the situation in the market, that it's more likely to get some sort of a bearish breakout and a retest off of 2.47 and 2.5, and that will drop down to at least 2.2 and 2.25, which is our next level. Now, in the end, you cannot underestimate Render. We might as well rally from that level, so that's my first price target. But at this point of time, I do think that is the most likely scenario, that will still have some bearish momentum. Even when we drop down to that level, if you zoom out enough, we're still technically bullish. So I wouldn't be too worried about us dropping down there yet. And apart from that, I mean, it also hasn't happened yet. Even though I think it's the most likely scenario. I mean, who am I? I can always I can always be wrong, of course. And it's all about that level. If we can hold 2.47, which, like I said, I don't think we will, but it's a possibility. But if we can hold that, and we actually get some bullish momentum, for example, from Bitcoin as well, and we can break above 2.65 and 2.7, then all of a sudden we're super bullish again, right? So being bullish again with Render is only one bullish breakout away, because, like I said, this could also just be a bearish flag, right? So, or a bullish flag, excuse me. Like if you take a look at this, then it does make a little bit of sense. We get a rally, then we get a bullish flag, which is basically a little bit of bearish momentum in an uptrend. And then we continue the bullish momentum after a little bit of a bearish flag. That's a possibility. That could also still be a possibility if we drop down to 2.2 and 2.25. But like I said, I'll try to keep you updated on Render a little bit better now. For now, this is my take, this is my update. So if you do have any questions, then as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.